Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to continue on the 2025 highlight reel. I flew at Mount Sinai Harbor with John Olson, and we checked on the Osprey, and they were back at their nests, but no babies yet. Mount Sinai Harbor is a great place to fly drones. I went back in to fly Atlantic Beach looking for the missing swimmer. I checked the same areas again and I spotted something, but it turned out it was just a tarp. We will continue. Flew my Mavic 3 at Port Jefferson Harbor. I love flying there. And I found a new place to fly, Gibbs Pond in Wisconsin. Stony Brook Harbor is a great place to fly drones. And it's home to the famous Gamecock Cottage. I flew my Mini 4K at the Michael Murphy Navy SEAL Museum. Robert Kula, the owner of Magnolia Pier Bait Shop, allowed us to fly from the pier searching for the missing swimmer. Thank you, Robert. I flew back at Mount Sinai Harbor and Mama was sitting on eggs. We'll keep checking and wait for the eggs to hatch. But as you can see, Rob and I did a lot of searching for the missing swimmer. This is Jones Beach Inlet. We changed locations to Lido Beach and more volunteer drone pilots joined us. I flew at Vietnam Memorial County Park on Memorial Day in honor of our lost veterans. It's a beautiful memorial. Then I flew at the Calverton Memorial Park, and this is where I first met John Gregory, the Kennebec pirate. A couple of weeks later, I took a ferry ride over to Connecticut to fly with John, and he showed me some of his secret spots. Thank you, John. And while I'm talking about John, he sold me his Mavic 3 Thermal Enterprise drone, as he knew I was searching for the missing swimmer. Thank you again, John. I immediately started searching with it with Rob here at the Magnolia Pier. It took me a while to get used to it, but as you can see, it really makes a difference. We didn't find them today, but we'll keep searching. The second largest crane ship in the world was passing by Shinnecock Inlet. The telephoto lens on the Mavic 3 Pro allowed me to take a photo of it 8 miles offshore. John Olson and myself checked on the Osprey, and sure enough, the eggs hatched and there were babies. I even found a new secret spot to film the Robert Moses Causeway Bridge. A week later, I decided to film a great car show at the East Wind Shops in Wading River, New York. The following week, I was searching again. Joe Lee said he was available to fly, so we went to Mount Sinai Harbor and checked on the Osprey. Now there were babies in both Osprey nests. I went back to the Hamptons and flew my drones at various locations. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my weekly live podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.